Hello, welcome to today's educational video tutorial on how to buy PEPE from a crypto exchange and transfer it to your Tangem hardware wallet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to buy PEPE and then move it from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet within just a few minutes. If today is the first time we're meeting, hi, I'm Blooming Omorin, your trusted money coach. Follow me on Facebook and LinkedIn for more educational content on investing and personal finance. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also click on the like button. Thank you so much for your support. Let's jump in. How to buy PEPE from a crypto exchange and then transfer it to your Tangem hardware wallet. Today's video tutorial is going to be demonstrated right on my phone. You can follow the same process if you're performing a similar transaction on your desktop or laptop. It follows the same logic. So, step 1, log into your preferred crypto exchange. For example, Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, KuCoin. Today, I'm going to guide you specifically on how to transfer PEPE from KuCoin to your Tangem crypto hardware wallet. As a bonus step, I'm also going to guide you on how to buy PEPE easily on KuCoin within just a few minutes. So, step 1, go ahead and log into your KuCoin account. If you don't have a KuCoin account, scroll to the description area below for the official link or click on the link up here. Go ahead and log into your KuCoin account. Once you're logged in, you're going to click on Asset. So that's at the bottom right. And once you click on that, the top, you can see that we have 5 tabs. That is Overview, Funding, Trading, Margin, and Futures. Now click on the Trading tab, and right here you can see that I have some USDT. So I'm going to be using some of this USDT to buy PEPE. If you don't know how to get USDT into your KuCoin account, check out my step-by-step video on how to buy USDT on KuCoin using cash. I'm going to leave the link in the description area below. I'm also going to leave it up here. So next, we're going to be using some of this USDT to buy some PEPE. As you can see here that I have about 149 USDT. So I'm going to be using some of this to buy some PEPE. So next, you're going to click on the Market button. And right at the top, you're going to search for PEPE. So PEPE. You're going to select the first option. That's PEPE/USDT. Meaning that we're going to be using some USDT to buy some PEPE. Click on the first option. Now we're going to click on the Buy button. Now we have different options here to either buy with a limit order, but I'm going to change that. I'm going to change it to a market order. So go ahead and select the market order, and right where it says amount USDT, I'm going to enter the dollar amount of USDT that I want to use to buy some PEPE. Okay, so this is what you're going to enter. If you're going to buy $10 worth or $20 worth, you're going to enter it there. So for this purpose, I'm going to be buying $20 worth of PEPE. So click on the Buy button, that is Buy PEPE, order placed. So we've successfully bought some PEPE already. Next, we need to transfer the PEPE we just bought into our Tangem crypto hardware wallet. So step 2, log into your Tangem hardware wallet. If you don't have a Tangem hardware wallet, check out the official link in the description area below. And don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. So go ahead and log into your Tangem app. Once you've logged in, go ahead and click on Manage Tokens right at the bottom. So once you click on that, we're going to search for PEPE right at the top. Click on the first option. You're going to click on the drop-down arrow beside the PEPE. Here you can see that we have 3 available networks. That is the ERC20, which is Ethereum. We have the BEP20, which is the Binance Smart Chain, and also Arbitrum1. For us to determine the network that we're going to send PEPE in, we need to know the network that is available on KuCoin. So before we enable any of this option, we're going to go back into KuCoin to see the available networks that I can send PEPE on. So now you're going to go back into KuCoin to see the available network that we can send PEPE on. So go back into KuCoin. You're going to click on the Home button. So right at the Home button, we're going to click on Assets. Then at the top, you're going to click on Trading. Then next, we're going to click on PEPE. Next, click on Withdrawal. Next, click on PEPE. And right here, you can see that the only available network is the ERC20. we don't have the option for the BEP20 or Arbitrum 1. So by default, we're going to go with the Ethereum network, which is the ERC20 network. Okay. And right at the bottom too, you can see the fee for transferring PayPay from KuCoin to your Tangem hardware wallet. So we're going to go back into our Tangem wallet and enable the ERC20 network. So click on that, then click on Save Changes. Next, we're going to scroll to the bottom and you can see the PayPay that we just added is now in our Tangem wallet. So click on PayPay. Next, click on Receive. This is going to show your wallet address. This is mine. Then click on Copy. Address copy to clipboard. But now we're going to paste our wallet address here. The ERC20 network is selected. Now I'm going to be transferring all the PayPay that I have in my KuCoin wallet. So I'm going to click on maximum, meaning that I'm withdrawing all the PayPay in my account. I'm going to be withdrawing it to my personal wallet, which is the Tangem wallet. Now click on withdraw. Right at the bottom, you can see the amount of PayPay I'm going to be receiving and also the fee. So you can go ahead and click on withdraw. Next, click on confirm. Now I'm going to enter my trading password. Go ahead and do that. Once you enter your trading password, next the email verification code. So click on send. Now I'm going to paste the code in here. We're going to do the same thing for the 2FA. I'm going to paste my 2FA code here. I'm going to paste the code, then click on confirm. Now I'm going to add this address to my KuCoin account. So I'm going to save this as PayPay Tangem. Click on done. Click on save as standard address. Then this has been successfully saved. Now we're going to wait a few minutes for this transaction to be processed. While we're waiting for the transaction to be processed and confirmed, if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section below and click on the like and subscribe button. And if you have any question, let me know below. And if you have any video suggestion also, let me know in the comment section below. And if you don't have a Tangem crypto hardware wallet, scroll to the description area below for the official link. And don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. If you like a one-on-one session with me, go ahead and scroll to the description area below and reserve your spot. So now I'm gonna log back into our Tangem wallet to see if the PayPay that we just sent from KuCoin is now in our Tangem wallet. Go ahead and log into your Tangem app. You can see that the PayPay that we just sent from KuCoin is now in our Tangem crypto hardware wallet. So we've come to the end of today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. If you like a one-on-one session with me, go ahead and reserve your spot. I'm going to leave the link in the description area below. Until then, I'm Blooming Umoran, your trusted money coach.